look. I want y'all. Okay, look. Huh? Damn, there's fun.
Okay. Get the other one.
Huh?
Get the other one.
Okay, look. Remember the area y'all were in? There's one right there. I swear to God. Right there by the fence.
There's more. Did you put one in there?
Right there by the fence.
By the brick.
By the bricks.
By the white
okay,
bag.
all three of y'all are hot.
By the white bag.
Y'all are so hot.
Right next to Buster.
Oh my God, all four of y'all are hot.
Look over there by Buster.
$2 to the person who finds it.
Sophie, look.
$2 to the person who finds it. $3. $3 to the one who finds it.
Right there, look. Look to your left.
$4 to the one who finds it.
To the right.
No, don't say nothing.
To the left.
To the left. To the other right. Right. Come on.
Down.
Down.
Up.
Up. Look
all
up.
the way up to the sky.
No, not to the sky, you idiot. It's eye level. How could y'all not see it?
They look up, yo.
Damn, Naraya, what happened over here? Yeah. Naraya, Mom, how many did you find? Let me see your eggs. Let me see your eggs, man. Okay, there's money in some of them, I think. No? No, there ain't no money. I don't think we put any money. Huh?
There is.
Maybe so. Who got you your hair, Mom?
Yeah, who cut your hair? I heard they put a weed eater on you.
Your hair, who got you? Who hit you in the egg?
Yeah, who cut your hair?
I don't know. But just by dancing and looking like that makes the egg look beautiful.
Yes.
More beautiful.
The universe is more beautiful.
With that chongo.
Where's that little fucker Chico at? I'll make a taco out of him.
Dad, look.
Motherfucker.
Daddy.
Yeah, that motherfucker don't even listen. Huh? Yeah.
Any more around here?
I don't know, Mom. I don't know if everybody found them. Everybody got a bunch of eggs, though.
I almost found 8.
Damn. Well, how about your sister and the little boy found a lot? Oh, I love you so many stupid
Not a
guys.
boy. She's a girl. She's a girl, boy.
What is she?
She's a girl, boy.
Hey, how do you say that? Yeah, buddy. How do you go?
Like a freak shot. Shot to love like a butt cold freak shot.
What about that?
Scaring the little girl. Coco.
Come here, Dutch. Come here, Dutch.
There's Coco too. That's that one.
Come here, Dutch. What's this nigga? Look at you. You always getting nigga in trouble.
Come here, Coco. Hey, Coco over there, guys.
Coco. That nigga don't listen though.
Coco don't listen? Damn, Dutch, why you be getting nigga in trouble, Dutch? Little shit ass.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. I want to get everything. Where's your dog?
Chilling right there. Look, that's how good dog she is. Good dog. Sit, lay down, lay down. Good.
Dutch. Dutch, come here, Dutch.
Mira, come here. Good there.
Waggle your tail.